Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. ERD has developed a full and comprehensive test for these Ford ignition controllers used in heavy equipment, such as Genie boom lifts and scissor lifts. Due to this unit being potted, or housed in a casing that's hard to remove, it's very difficult to repair the internals, but our procedure now makes it so we can get to the broken bits. This unit is actually an upgrade kit for a much older and more obsolete unit, and came separate from the engines it's meant for. Our test checks for the timing and coil firing, plus we test the system's vacuum advance and braking mechanisms. We also connected the output to a custom load to verify it will provide the right spark for your engine. ERD's ability to get past these units' cases makes us one of the only repair shops that can actually make the real repairs for this unit. So if your engine is having startup issues, call today for your quote.